Hello. Now, this is my second video lecture on determinant. So now we are going to go with little slightly higher level of examples, or you can say questions. Again, the same thing. You can crack this in less than a minute. Now, here the example is, if x square plus x plus 1, x minus 2, 2x square plus 3x minus 1, 3x minus 3, x square plus 2x plus 3, 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. Now, this is the equation given. We need to find the value of a. Again, the same concept. I'm going to say either I have to take the value of x to be 0 or 1. Now, which one should I prefer with? If I take 0, this is going to be 0. So what should be my right option? Take x is equal to 1. So if I take x is equal to 1, the determinant reduces to, this is 2, 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. This is 2 plus 3 minus 1, that is 4, 3. This will be 0. And this is 6, 1, 1. Now see how simple we have made the determinant, which looks very difficult. And the expansion also becomes really easier if it is in the simplest form. Now, if we expand this determinant, we get 2, 3, minus 0, minus 2. Now, this is 4, minus 0, minus 1 into 4, minus 18. Now, this is 6, minus 8, and this is minus of minus, that will be plus 14. So, my answer is 12. Now, I need to find the value of a, which is, it is ax minus 12. I have got the value of the determinant to be 12. So, x value is given to be 1. So, it is a minus 12 is equal to 12. This implies a value is equal to 24. Now, which is the right option? So, a is my right option. Here, if you have a practice, if you practice it well, you can crack this in less than 30 seconds also. Now, this example, if you see, this looks a bit difficult because you are having something with a summation. Now, how will I solve this? Because it is saying if determinant, which is usually denoted by delta r, this is what we have. And then what am I supposed to find? Summation r is from 1 to n delta r. Now, again, the trick that is helpful is, first thing the important part is selection of the variables. What should be the value of r as well as what should be the value of n? If I take the value of r as 1 and obviously n as 1, so you will just have what? Summation is only for one term, no? Because if you are taking r as 1 and n as 1, so it is just for delta of 1. So what will be delta of 1? If I take r is equal to 1, this is 1 minus 1, 0. This is 1 minus 1, the whole square is 0. So 1 minus 1, the whole cube 0. So what should be the option? This is less than a minute, less than 30 seconds. You can answer. The right option is 0. The one which looks really difficult, it is actually easier if you know the trick. So what is the trick that I have taken? Put r is equal to 1, n is equal to 1. So if delta 1, if I take, it is 0, 0, 0, n, 6, 2n square, 4n minus 2, 3n square minus 3n. Now if I put n is equal to 1, this is 2, 4 minus 2, that is 2, 3, this is again 0. So what will be the value of the determinant? It is straight away option C, that is equal to 0. So this is how you can crack the question, provided tricks are very important. Now let's go to the next example. What is the next example saying? Now the determinant is with respect to a triangle. Now in a triangle ABC, if this is my determinant, then what I need to prove? I need to see what is the value of the trigonometric function that I have, sine square A plus sine square B plus sine square C. Now, if I look into this, it looks really difficult because it is with a trigonometric function. Now, what I need to do here, what is said? Only triangle ABC. Have they mentioned that which triangle is this? So, the best way I can deal with this is assume that it is an equilateral triangle. Why did I take equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle is, if I say equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. And what is this A, B? Capital A, B, C are my angles. Now, if I'm saying angle, if I'm saying that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, the problem is solved only. Why did I say that? Equilateral triangle. Why did I say that? Because all the sides are equal, and moreover, ABC, what is the angle of an equilateral triangle? 60 degree. So my problem is solved. What will I say? Sine square A, sine square 60. What is sine of 60? Firstly, what is sine of 60? Root 3 by 2. So what will be sine square of 60? It is 3 by 4. Now you are going to add it 3 times. So what is that? Therefore, sine square A plus sine square B plus sine square C will be equal to 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. What is the right option then? That is 9 by 4. So where do I find 9 by 4? A is my right option. So this is how we can. So whenever anything with triangle is given and nothing is mentioned in detail, you can immediately go with an equilateral triangle. Now let's move to the next example. What is that? If this is a determinant, I need to find the value of this k. Now how will I find the value of k? Again, I go back with my same trick. What is my trick saying? A is equal to B is equal to C. What should be the value? If I say 0, entire thing is going to be 0. So I can't go with 0. Instead, what is the best option now? Put ABC is equal to 1. Now, if I do that, what is the answer do I get? It is 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Now, see how simple have we made it? Now, this is 2, 4 minus 1 into 2 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 2. So what is an answer that we get? It is 6 minus 1 plus, sorry, this is minus 1. So what is the answer do I get? 6 minus 2. It is 4. So here, what is the value of k then? K value is 4 because 4 is equal to k. A, B, C value are 1. Now, which is the right option then? B is the right option. So have we cracked it in less than a minute or no? Now let's make the thing little more difficult. Every time we are selecting the values to be 0 and 1. What happens when we are not able to take 0 as well as 1? What should be the next option that we have? Let's move to this example. If alpha beta is not equal to 0 and f of n is equal to alpha raised to n, beta raised to n. Now see how complicated is this. The only thing is, if you can find what is the value of alpha and beta, the problem is solved. Now, how do I say that? What should be the alpha value of alpha and beta? I can't take 0 because it is said we are not supposed to take 0. And one more thing, if I take alpha and beta to be same, here the RHS part is going to be 0. If I say alpha is 1, even beta is 1, what will happen? If one of the term is 0, the whole thing will be 0. So I can't take both the values to be same. Now, the option that is left out is I can take the value of alpha as minus 1 and the value of beta to be 2. Why didn't I go with plus 1? Reason, if I take plus 1, this is going to be 0. Same happens with beta also, it is going to be 0. Now what I do is I take alpha is equal to minus 1, beta is equal to 2. So what will I get if I take alpha and beta is equal to? Now substitute the value. If I put alpha is equal to 1, what is my f of n? It is minus 1 raised to n plus beta is 2 raised to n. Now put f of 1. I have to find the value still 4 because f of 4 you have over here. So it is minus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 1. F of 2 is what? It is 1 plus 4, which is equal to 5. F of 3, that is equal to minus 1 plus 8, which is equal to 7. F of 4, which is equal to 1 plus, what is 2 raised to 4? 16. So what is my answer? 17. Now substitute the value. What do I get? If I substitute the value, it is 3. 1 plus f of 1, that is 2. 1 plus f of 2, that is 6. 1 plus f of 1, that is 2. 1 plus f of 2, which is 5. 1 plus f of 3, that is 7. 1 plus f of 2, that is again 6. 1 plus f of 3, that is 8. 1 plus f of 4, that is 18. Now you can easily solve this up. So this is 3 into, what do we get over here? This is 108 minus 64 minus 2 into, what will I get? 36 minus 56 plus 6 into 16 minus 30. So what is the right option that we get? Just a minute. F of 2 is 5, so this will be 6. And f of 3 is 7, so this will be 8. I'm so sorry. Now this is equal to 3. 108 minus 64 minus 2 into 36 minus 48 plus 6 into 16 minus 36. So what is the answer that I get? I get the answer to be, it is 132 minus of minus will be plus. So plus 24 minus 120. So the answer is 36. Now what do I have? K, if I put the value of alpha to be minus 1, what will I get? So that is K here. If you look into this, it is K into 1 minus alpha. Alpha is how much? Minus 1. So minus of minus plus. So this is 4. Beta value 2. So 1 minus 2 minus 1 the whole square is 1. 1 minus 2 the whole square. See here. 1 minus 2 the whole square. So what will I get over here? Alpha value, and this will be 9 because minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 the whole square. So this is 36k that I have got. 36k. Now what is my right option then? So 36k is equal to 36. So the value of k is 1. This work, it looks bit difficult because you need to find all the values. So the right option is B. It looks difficult, but if you can do it, practice it well, you can do it in a very well way. Okay, thank you. So here we end up our video lecture. Thank you.